Even the most cautious and careful drivers cannot control events outside of their vehicles. That's why numerous road users experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now they can actually do something about it and use cameras to help identify dangerous drivers. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey. But with several companies offering dash cams, are you confused which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K Dashcam, today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera that can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology helps to get unmatched clearer footage and images from the recording, even in low light conditions. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route and tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving location and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K Dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry, parking mode, motion detection, 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-mo video, and supports up to 128 gigabytes, Class 10 U3 speed micro SD card. This dash camera for cars is backed by a full 1-year warranty. Or if you're having any doubts, it comes with a full refund within 30 days. So choose the Rove Dashcam to secure your drive to a safer future.
The new and improved BESTRIX CM12 magnetic car mount provides your smartphone with extra safety and convenience and is compatible with all types of vehicles. It can be easily installed on any smooth surface dashboard. Clean the dashboard surface with a wet towel and wait for it to dry. Place the screw nut onto the ball head. Fit the magnetic head onto the ball head and push until you hear a click. Turn the screw nut counterclockwise to adjust and lock the magnetic head. Choose the optimal location for your convenience. Adjust the mount's arm angle and magnetic head before locking the suction cup. Remove the protective paper from the gel pad. Press down the suction cup's base to remove all air from underneath. While pressing the suction cup's base down, move the locking lever into lock position. Place the metal plate between your phone and your case, or you can stick it directly onto your phone or case. Now you can attach your phone to the magnetic head. You can place it at any angle you choose. To detach the phone, simply pull it off the magnetic mount. To renew the suction of the cup, simply rinse it under warm water and dry.
A mesh window at the center of our innovative Hammock seat protector creates two-way airflow so your air conditioning can keep your dog cool in the summer and your heat can keep your dog warm in the winter. This window also creates a line of sight between you and your travel buddy, which many dogs and their owners find comforting while on the road. None of this distracts from the water-resistant Hammock's #1 job, providing full coverage protection for your back seat, the floor beneath it, and the backside of your front seats from dog hair, moisture, dirt, and claw marks. Installing it is a breeze. Simply use the adjustable nylon straps with side-release buckles to hook the hammock around your front and rear headrests. Insert the handles in between the backrest and the bottom cushion to lock in an incredibly secure fit. Our non-slip, grip-tight backing clings to your car seat to guarantee a secure hold. This means the seat protector stays in place no matter how much your dog moves around, creating an added level of protection for your vehicle and a more comfortable ride for your dog. Flaps on each side protect the cushion as your dog gets into and out of the car. And seatbelt openings make it easy to buckle in your dog's harness when it's time to hit the open road. Our hammock is quilted all over to maximize your dog's comfort, and it's easy to clean. Just throw it in the washing machine. Protect your car and make every car trip more comfortable with an Orvis seat protector.
Car washing was a big trouble for many people. It is time-consuming, labor-consuming, and it costs money. Actually, that is not true once you have NorSure at hand. NorSure may be the world's first smart multifunctional car washing kit, making car washing easy, fast, and free of charge. The water source could be directly from a water bottle or external sources such as our foldable water bucket. It takes only 15 seconds to set up and 10 minutes to complete the car washing, saving 80% of the time. The cleaning process is neat and easy without making a mess. NorSure is very compact in size, but can be kept in the trunk for everyday use. No matter how wild your trip is, your car will always remain tidy. NorSure requires no external power. Get fully charged within 3 hours through USB charging port. NorSure could serve as a portable Jumpstarter. It's also a power bank for your outdoor usage. It can also be used as a warning sign. NorSure has 3 preset modes for various situations. You can easily switch from the water spray gun to spray brush. Not just for the car washing. NorSure, one kit for every car owner.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.